Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the door strike on your dryer. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we simply need to open the door and remove the screw that secures that strike to the front panel. So using a number 2 posi-drive screwdriver or a number 2 Phillips, we'll remove that screw. Just tilt out the damaged strike and discard it. Place the new one into the opening. Make sure that the little barbs on the left-hand side of that go fully into that opening, and will catch on the back side of it. And tighten the screw securely. We can then close the dryer up, and your repair is complete.